Hello, my name is Janice Smith, and this is my presentation on researching foreign comparative international law. To begin with, what is foreign comparative international law? Simply put, foreign law refers to the laws that govern another country and can come in different forms, such as common law, civil law, customary law, religious law, etc. Comparative law is the study of legal systems in comparison with each other. Paul Norman, Jr., in an article, Comparative Law, found on the website GlobalX, a website for foreign comparative international law, said, in the strict sense, it is the theoretical study of legal systems by comparison with each other and has a tradition going back over a century. In recent years, it has gained in practical importance for two reasons. The first is the increased globalization of world trade involving the need to do business in unfamiliar legal systems. The second is the move towards harmonization of laws, and more recently towards codification within the European Union, where several legal traditions coexist. Black's Law Dictionary defines international law as the legal system governing the relationships between nations. More modernly, the law of international relations embracing not only nations, but also such participants as international organizations and individuals, such as those who invoke their human rights or commit war crimes. So how do you research foreign law? Because you are researching another country's laws, you may run into the need for a translation service for help. For this presentation, I used a country that uses English as their primary language, the Federated States of Micronesia. One option is to look at that country's government website to see if there is information available there. The Federated States of Micronesia, on its website fsmlaw.org, provides access to the country's constitution, statutes, case law, as well as the Compact of Free Association with the United States. They also have a link for each of their states to provide the same information. This website provides a search bar for ease of research. One thing to be wary of when looking at another country's information is to check and see how often it is updated. Another option is to use subject searches in the library's catalog. I used a subject search for law and FSM on the King Library, which brought back 18 results for my search. There are also databases that have resources for foreign and international law, such as Hein Online, which provides many legal resources. How about researching comparative law? There are many law guides on the internet regarding comparative law. Here are a few of them. When looking for law guides, I would recommend doing an advanced search. A subject search can also be helpful in this area on a library catalog, since there are many books and articles from journals on this subject. Researching international law once again using an advanced search, and searching by subject can be very useful. For example, you could search international law and torts both as subjects, which would return results on how torts are handled between nations and individuals. This presentation was to give you a basic overview of foreign comparative international law and hopefully give you a place to begin when faced with a relevant research question. Thank you for watching my presentation.